Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you to the fifth lecture of this unit called as periodic classification of elements. And our today's topic is modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. So far we have observed that Daubernier or Newland, then Mendeleev tried to arrange the elements in the form of and periods and groups called as periodic table. But we observed that Mendeleev, when arranged the elements in the form of periods and groups, he has also certain limitations. In order to omit or in order to avoid those limitations, one more form of periodic table was put forward called as modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. So first of all, modern or long form of periodic table was prepared by Bohr. So you need to understand it was prepared by Bohr. Here elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic numbers. In Mendeleev's periodic table, elements were arranged in the increasing order of atomic masses. But in modern form of periodic table, atoms or elements were arranged in the increasing order of atomic numbers in horizontal rows called as periods. So when you move in a horizontal row, this is called as a period. So this is the first period, second period, third period. Elements having same number of valence electrons are put in the same vertical column, but we follow a simple procedure. Elements having same number of valence electrons must be put in the same column, that is called as group. So there are horizontal rows called as periods, there are vertical columns called as groups. Thus, elements in a particular group have similar properties. You need to understand, there are 7 periods or horizontal rows in modern periodic table. The number of elements in each period is given below. There are 7 periods in modern periodic table, and in each period there are, first period has 2 elements called as very short period, it's called as having only 2 elements called very short period. Second and third period has 8 elements each called as short period. Fourth and fifth period has 18 elements each called as long periods. Sixth period contains 32 elements called as very long period. Seventh period contains the rest of the elements and it is incomplete. You need to understand there are 7 periods in modern periodic table. The vertical columns in a periodic table are called groups. There are 18 groups. There are vertical columns. There are 18 in number in long form periodic table. Group 1 is to the left side and group 18 is to the right side of the periodic table.